You may think that you're a master griller. You may even have the trophies to prove it. But all master grillers need these basics in their toolkit for the summer cookouts. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Gift Guru. I am Gigi, the Gift Guru. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Now this is around the time of the year which is my favorite. I'm not talking about summer, I'm talking about grilling. I love me a burnt hot dog or two. And we're going to discuss some tools that every grill master needs in their toolkit. And you can get these as a gift or you can get them for yourself. So we about to get right onto this. Let's sit back, relax, and get on it. Now, this honestly depends on the person, but to get around all of the confusion that comes with monitoring the grill, this can be a must-have. We're going to talk about the apron. Especially if you're not only the chef, but you are the host, you want to make sure you keep yourself clean and keep all your tools right by you, if not on you. You want to make sure that you stand out among your fellow guests and also inspire future masters as well. These next couple of things can be for any grill master or for any chef. Everybody knows you can't just simply throw meat or vegetables on the grill and expect perfection. There's an art to grilling. Why not have that art written down somewhere for future grill masters to learn and to use? With every grill master, there comes a set of tools, whether you have your own personal set or you have a rack that is set up for you. And with all of these delicious items that you're going to make, you are definitely going to want to serve it on a special platter. Even the grill master has to make sure that their guests are taken care of while the food is cooking. You want to make sure your guest is welcomed and relaxed when they first step into the door. And make sure that their beverages are cool and visible. One thing that is visible to me is that like button. If you are enjoying my content right now, please click that like button at the bottom of this video. It definitely helps me out on these mean YouTube streets, and believe me, I can use the help. So please and thank you. But let's keep going. Not everyone likes to drink directly from the can or glass bottle because they are scared of germs, and I completely understand. If your party is small, why not have a designated mug or even a cute mason jar for each one of your guests? That way, drinks are not going to get mixed up and it gives an updated twist to the beer mug. Unlike some of my other videos in the past, we're going to discuss some techniques if you're a beginner griller. One of the techniques that I like to do is to rest the meat before I slice it. That way the juices can settle. Also, do not put cold meat on top of the grill. Let it get a little room temperature so that it can cook evenly. Or what you can do, well, this is an and an or. Actually, it can be mostly an and. And what you can do is not move the meat while it's on the grill too much, because that way, if you move the meat, it's going to cook unevenly. So these are just my basic techniques when I grill with my husband. But the point is, just enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones. Remember, giving a gift is more than just opening up your wallet, it is opening up your heart. Stay tuned for more. Don't worry, I got more coming. Bye. That's not my first take, which was perfect. What's going on with you? Hold, stop. You about to get tucked. You about to get tucked. There you go. You wasn't behaving. Yeah, I'm tired. I love me a burnt hot dog. Don't judge. I like it burnt. I like it black. It tastes better. I'm sorry. And I can eat so many of that. Now that you stayed tuned, I know you're going to want to cool down, especially with all of that hot grilling. Why not cool down at the beach? But first, you have to make sure you pack the essentials. You are not going to want to leave home without these must-haves for your beach trip.